Hi, it's Wendy at the library. I'm going to show you how to make our sun catcher craft with glass beads. And it's pretty cool. It will catch all the light when it's hanging in your window. And I think a lot of you have seen these glass beads before. We've used them in aquariums and different other crafts too. So in your kit, you'll get a little baggie with an assortment of beads. You'll get a cover of some kind, a plastic cover, a little container with clear glue in it, and a piece of twine. So I'm just going to get our camera down so you can see how to do this. There we go. So we'll start with our container. What you're going to want to do is put a little bit of glue on the bottom. So carefully open your container. Ooh, it's pretty thick. There we go. And pour some glue on the bottom of your lid that you'll be setting your little glass knobs. They're not really marbles, they're little flat ones, so we're going to be setting them in. And then you'll take out your colored glass pieces and decide how you want to set them up. So let me see what I've got for some colors in here. There'll be an assortment. I'm not sure if I'm going to use red. I might put red, one in the middle. So I'm going to put it upside down into the middle. And where these are flat and rounded on the top, but flat on the bottom, I'm going to turn them upside down so that that smooth side is over there. So let's put some colors around this red one. Green and blue and green. And we can squeeze another one, I think, if we squeeze it like this. Put another one. There we go. Almost looks like a flower. And then I have a couple different sizes of clear white ones. I have these little ones, and I have a little bit bigger. So these little ones are great because they will fill in if you're spacing out and have big gaps. So let's put these clear ones all around. There we go. There we go. And another one. Here we are. You can just do a very variety that's not really even a pattern, because when you just fill it in with all these little glass knobs, it's really just pretty because the sun will catch in between all of that. And actually I'm squishing them around a little bit here. So that's pretty full. I might try to squish one more in. Let me see if I can. Just barely. We don't want to make it turn any of our glass pieces because we tried too hard, but now I also have this piece of twine. You can use twine or a paper clip or something from home, but I'm going to try to set this down into it so that it will be my loop. Here we go. So set this down into here and let it sit in that glue. And then when I pour the glue over, it should be coated. So here we go. I'm going to cover the rest of this, being careful not to overflow the edge of my rim of this little plastic lid. The reason why we use these plastic lids are because you can bend it later to separate your sun catcher from the form and peel it out. So now this clear glue, it's pretty thick because I've covered everything. And because it is so thick, it may take 2 or 3 days to dry completely. So you're going to want to take this and set it aside on a really safe flat counter and just try to forget it for a couple days. And then you're going to peel it out, and then you'll have your sun catcher that comes out. I tied my string in a little different for this one, and I'm trying it just setting the loop down in it for that one. But see how it does. It should peel out pretty cool. And it might be a little sticky. When I peeled mine out after 2.5 days, it had just 2 little places that were a little tacky, a little sticky. But it's pretty fun. And then you can hang it in your window, or you can give it as a gift to someone. And it's really nice when it's a sunny day. So hope you enjoy. Have fun, everybody.